Hello, here we are going to see one question from IITG. The question is, a football of radius capital R is kept on a radius small r, where small r is less than capital R, made on a plank. Horizontally, one end of the plank is now lifted so that it get tilted, here seen the diagram, with angle theta. This angle theta is with horizontal. It is football of radius capital R is here. From the maximum value of theta, so that football does not rolling down, the plank satisfy. Here are 4 options given. The option number 1 is sin theta is equal to r by capital R. The option B is tan theta is equal to small r by capital R. Option C is small r by 2r, whereas last option is cos theta is equal to r by 2r. Now we are going to solve this question here. In this question, here is a football which has a radius r kept on a plank. This plank is here made circle downward in this way. This radius is given, this total is here 2r. Clear? Now, the theta is kept in such a way that the football is ready to go down but not moving downwards. So see, under these circumstances, which one of 4 options will be satisfy more accurately? Now see here in the question, let this is the plank. On which this football of radius r is kept on it. This plank is made in such a way that when it is tilted, the slope of a plank is here given a theta. Under these circumstances, the football is ready to go down, right? When football is under these circumstances, let what are the forces acting in this case, and the balance of forces will clarify that the exact situation. Let mass of a football is equal to m. So here in this, let it is a center, its weight. We are knowing mg always act downward. Now we are going to see the projection of this weight which is acting downward. See, one of the projection here in this direction, another projection downward. Let this angle is theta. So the projection of this mg along this is mg cosine theta, whereas this projection is mg sin theta. So in place of the weight mg, we can see the 2 projection, mg sin theta this side, mg cos theta downward. Now see the reaction force, normal force acting here in this case. Normal force acting perpendicular to the plane in response of the weight of the football. Now again we are going to obtain the projection of this normal force capital N. Now see, this is one of projection is this. Now see the vertically opposite angle, it is theta. We are knowing the both angles are equal. So this side projection is called n cos theta. Clear? and its projection is on another side. This is called n sin theta. Now see, here are the four forces acting on this. Here in it, n cos theta, upward vertical force, is balances mg cos theta, here in this case one of the balance force, another mg sin theta is balanced by n sin theta. When this all four forces is balances, these four forces are the projection of the weight of the football with the normal, that is a reaction force acting here on the plank due to the weight. It is an, under this situation, the football is ready to move down but not moving down. And this condition, see very carefully, this is the situation acting here. Let very carefully, this is C, let it is R is here the radius of the football, capital R, and this is let small r. Right? C in triangle, let O, A, B. See it is. Now in this situation, see this triangle. It is R, radius of a football here, and this is small r, the radius of this curved portion here on the plank. This is small r. This angle is theta. Right? So in that condition, this becomes base, perpendicular, and it is hypotenuse. Then sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is r by capital R. Now see, under this situation, sin theta, that is angle of the plank, is the ratio of small r to capital R. Now search in the option. See, the option 1 is here. Is it correct? Because here in the question, first option, here it is given sin theta is equal to r by r. So this is the answer for the question. I hope you are enjoyed well. So please attach me, continue to see some other questions also. Thank you.